Okay, so we're here in Paris. Let's go to the 3D print show and give you a quick tour around.
And here's the Ultimaker stand with the 3 Ultimaker 2 models there.
Some really interesting prints dotted around. These vases were particularly good.
Some full colour prints there.
And here's the Zortrax stand, which was looking really smart, and they had some really interesting prints on display. Some excellent prints in that cabinet, and here's the new Zortrax Adventure, which is available to pre-order. And there's the M200, so their other model, along with some other interesting prints.
And here's the Be Very Creative stand with all their range of 3D printers on display there.
And there's the Big Builder limited edition white. These prints have got some interesting finishes on them. They've added a chrome effect.
Some Airwolf 3D printers there.
Here's some interesting printers from Wasp.
A full-size 3D printed chair there.
There's a pretty impressive 3D printed puppet.
And here's the exhibition of artists incorporating 3D printers into their work.
This exhibit incorporates animatronics into 3D printing. This artist has got a keen interest in botanicals, and as you can see, they're pretty cool prints.
The Build Tack stand there, which helps to stick your prints to the bed.
Right, and that's everything at the Paris 3D print show. There's loads to look at and see. It was well worth a visit.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe.
Also, come follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.
You can find out more about our products and services by visiting dream3d.co.uk.